Hey guys, Gretchen here. This one is going to be a Kava lesson. I know I said I'd get all the Kundalini attunements out, but there are tons still left. And there's a lot to go through with Kava, and I have a whole list of videos. So I am going to interject this Kava video, Kava Reiki video out there. This one is going to be on the alphabet, the numbers, and the language. The two after this will be a lesson for level 2, which will be the heart breath and the compassion wave, and then after that I'm going to do the Kava level 2 attunement. So I'm going to do 3 Kava videos in a row. It just started raining, yay. 3 Kava videos in a row, and then I'm going to go back to the Kundalini attunements, and we'll alter back and forth. I'm not going to guarantee I won't throw an herbalism video out there, because I am working with several clients who are have the same things going on, so I may throw those videos on here as well. So let's get started with the Kava alphabet, shall we? And I'm going to throw slides up. Let's throw it up now. All right, in addition to the 3 heart symbols, there are 36 Kava language symbols. You can see that in the chart in front of you. They can be used for long distance or hands-on healing, hovering, healing, whatever type of Reiki master you are. All of these symbols act as vehicles for sending energy and communication. Each of the Kava language symbols has a certain energy characteristic, as do the heart symbols, and they can be used for specific healing energies. There are 26 Kava alphabet symbols that can be used for healing purposes. These symbols are also used in the heart communication and Kava language, along with the 10 numerical symbols, for a total of 36 Kava language symbols. The numerical symbols can also be used for healing, but that will be a little bit later, and you'll investigate that a little more on your own. We're not going to get into that on this one. You will become personally attuned to all of these symbols in your Kava level 2 attunement, but you are welcome to use them now. The attunement will just make your connection stronger. All right, all of the vowels are long except for the letter A, which is going to be an ah sound. All right, so on the audio, I'm not sure if I ended with all the vowel sounds are long except for the letter A, which is ah. The symbols can be used individually or combined together. Each of the 26 symbols has a particular energy to it, as expressed, above in the example. Ma would be the energies related to spirituality, Ba for physicality. If you were working on like the spiritual energy body, connecting something, focus more specifically, Ma Re Go. So you would have spirit, and then you would have energy, and then you would have embodiment, right? So spiritual energy embodiment, if you're trying to just embody that spiritual energy. You'll come up with your own combinations for whatever need you want, and the more you use it, the more you practice with it, the more adept you will be. When you're doing your long distance healing exercises, kind of notice the difference between sending the healings with and without symbols. Ask your peeps if they will be guinea pigs for you. It's the only way you're going to learn, though, right? Is you have to have a sample subject. So ask your clients if you can use these new symbols on them, this new language on them, the Kava language. Like I said, after this, we're going to get to the heart breath and the compassion wave, and then we're going to be attuned to Kava Reiki level 2. Woo! I don't know why I just did that. I like in a really strange kind of like low-key manic mode today, if that makes any sense. Okay, so learning to use the symbols will give you a more proactive approach to actually using the Kava Reiki energy. That big heart energy, that healed heart energy. You can use this alphabet, these numbers, in conjunction with the symbols that you've already been attuned to with Siko, Wunu, and Be True. And I do recommend that you use those 3 in conjunction with each other. And if you are one of my Karuna people, no, it's an Asui add-on. If you're one of my Asui add-on people and you know Shika So and Shika Saiki, those are really great ones to use in addition with Siko, Be True, and Wunu, and this new Kava alphabet, this new language. I'm going to throw that slide up again for just another minute here at the end. And I do have this one saved as a PDF, so feel free to email this one. I am working on those other PDFs. I do promise that, guys. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do and you'd like to see more, and I do a lot of Reiki videos, I do some herbalism videos, some yoga nidra, trauma healing, recovery systems for alcoholism, addiction, and narcissistic relationships, because they do a number on your brain and your body. Please hit that subscribe button for me. And until next time, namaste.